See, that's the object right there. Just without the adapter, holding that thing by hand is super difficult. But see, the same thing that I capture with the camera. There it is. That's not a star. There you are. I had to have a ring adapter for when I catch that thing. It's going on the side. So I couldn't catch anymore. So that was one of the objects. And that is not a star. I can tell you that right now. That was the fourth try that I did that night. And then all of a sudden it got cloudy out of nowhere. I don't know how that, I mean the whole sky out of nowhere, it was crispy clear. And then all of a sudden it got frosty. I was like, what happened with the stars? They disappeared. No, it was some kind of haze that came out of nowhere. This was at 4 in the morning that I captured this image. That's what I sound so tired. I mean, it's tiring, this deal. But look at this thing, man. There is this all reptile faces around that thing. Look at the eyes right here, and the mouth, and the jaw. And this, I mean, this whole thing is freaky. It's freaky, freaky! It's freaky. Freaky, freaky. So I'm pretty sure, I'm really convinced with this telescope I'm gonna be able to capture the same things that LENARD WALSON captured. I mean, if this is without the right equipment, all I need is the adapter and the thing that holds the camera against the telescope, and the eyepiece adapter that holds the camera lens perfectly synchronized with the Barlow lens. And I'm gonna get the zoom Barlow lens to even enhance much more the image than just the camera, because you cannot use the entire zoom in the camera because it becomes blurry. After 300 not even 300. The thing just the camera goes up to 350. You cannot go to 350 because it gets blurry. The telescope is capable of going up to 300. Well, that's just too much. You have to really, to get a crispy image, you gotta go max 150, maybe 200 at the most, to get a good, solid, crispy image. And then with the camera, you add 150 or 200 more. And with the Barlow, that's the deal. The Barlow lens, if it's good quality, is what's gonna do the trick. And then since that thing is adapted to the computer software will even enhance the image a lot more. I don't know how these astronomers that claim to have this monstrous telescope, they cannot capture nothing like this. I don't see how. They're all fixated with the planets and the nebulas and shit, but they don't see any of this. I mean, how stupid can people be? Or I guess they don't believe in UFO and they're not going to look at nothing like that, period. They'll tell you that that's an aberration of the telescope, that you use seeing things. Yeah, those things. And there you have it. You got brown, blue, purple, green, magenta, just all kinds of colors here. That's not a star or a nebula. No, no, no. It is what it is. That's the original image. Tiny little thing. That's the other one. One of the two images I got. Because it's impossible to hold the camera in the correct place so there's no match to have a mechanical thing there and your hand there shaking and your pulse is, I don't care how good you can hold your hand, this is not gonna work. And that's the other image. In reality, I haven't checked the entire video. I did so many tries, but this is so far what I have seen usable. Look at that thing with the frog face. I don't think there's not any entities on it, that's just part of the craft. The craft looks like it has a pair of eyes itself. Right eye with a slit pupil and left eye with a slit pupil. The face, a huge ass face with reptilian heads here and here, like a crocodile, this one. It's really bright. You have to work on the image and darken those bright areas to get the correct image. Anyway, this is the moon. You can see cylindrical objects on the moon. This is weird structures, a square, and you get this tower-looking thing. None of these are impact craters. We have been bullshit to death with this impact crater deal. No. Once I get the adapter and the thing that holds the camera in place, so I don't have to do rigging the chair with tapes and stuff. Oh, it's gonna be incredible. Incredible. This is just a preliminary work. Damn. Check it out. This thing is like a tube right here, like a cylindrical thing, and it has these edges like an hexagon. You have to capture the right frame for that image to view it. Well, that's what you get with digiscoping. You get a lot more than you would with just the camera or the telescope alone. But you need the right equipment that adapt one thing with the other. See, after that, I couldn't get it right. This is the second try with the moon.